here, Jack in the back. We are heading to Epcot today. That's why I have the I don't give a schnitzel shirt on. We are doing another 360 vlog. We've been trying to roll these out little bit by little bit, get you used to them. Please feel free to explore. I don't think you'll see that much while driving, but please feel free to explore. We are gonna do Grand Fiesta tour. I think that's the 360 one I want to get today. It's sort of like wanting to do one thing each time, so to speak. I think we did more than one last time. I'm pretty sure we got like Mickey and Minnie's and Rise of the Resistance done 360 last time we were out. So and then we did Beacon Barrel. We didn't get an attraction last time for the 360, just timing wise couldn't happen. I apologize, but yeah, we're gonna try to do Grand Fiesta tour, maybe Frozen before going live, maybe if we can fit it. We did Test Track already, so it's like we already did Test Track. I did replace the lens guards, so it should be clearer now. Like, y'all should get clearer image, and you shouldn't get the distortion, I hope. You know, that's the one annoying thing about these 360 cameras is having to protect the lenses and the possibility for fogging in the lens guard or dirt getting inside the lens guard sometimes. It's just, you gotta be cautious and careful. Oh, I forgot my cup too. I did get a new silicone rubber like cup cover holder thing jigger. It's sort of a coaster. Like, it's a rubber coaster for the whole cup holder. I was like, oh yeah, needed that. And it like blends in perfectly, so that's good on you. Amazon finds for the Jeep. It's still over, like, not sunny yet. It's 8:22, so I got about another couple of minutes, 10 minutes maybe, to be able to see it. We're coming up on it. It tilts sometimes. But we're coming up on the archway, the banner, the gate. I don't know what we call it. No one ever, what do you call it? I know some people call it the archway. I see it as a gate. It could also be a banner, a bada. But we're coming up. I try to stay in this like lane so you can see pretty well in the center. But here we are. We are going. Wait for it. I gotta time it better. Walt Disney World! There we go. I think that was timed better. The security booth, parking booth attendant always seemed to like the ducks. Oh, bump. I love having a Jeep. I don't really slow down for them too much. So we're gonna ask, oh, I can tell that tilted it forward a little bit. We're gonna ask up ahead about charging, and we'll see if they're available. But let me ask. Is there a charging spot available? Charging. Do you know if there's charging spots available?
Medical, is there any EV spots?
54 off spots are
They're all full, sorry.
Okay.
We only got 4 of them, they go fast.
Alright. I'm just making sure it's okay to move. No charging. Wah. And I'm here half an hour early. So we are here inside of Epcot, and I didn't get charging. I think I already said this, but I didn't. Even though Plug Fiesta 2 is available. I feel like we are in the it's not hot out, so we're gonna get more people coming vibes, because this is around the time frame I would travel from North Carolina because kids were in school and it wasn't terrible out. I mean, you had the opportunity of rain all the time, but I mean, it's even cool enough for me to be wearing pants instead of shorts. Think about it that way. it's even cool enough for that. Get a little fountain sound time. It's got a nice sky going on right now. I will say that. Nice sky moment. I do see less artifacting thanks to the new lens guard. So hey, we're good there. So I'll give props to the new lens guard. All nice and clear. I have to be careful not to use a microfiber to clean it. So like I said, we're gonna try and do Fiesta, Grand Fiesta tour. Maybe get a snack before the stream, or do a little dual play with the stream going. I will say these are great to get your because you can expand so much further than your field of view in a regular camera. So get all the spaceship Earth behind me. The pants, it's a little very humid, but that's my bad. Might be regretting the pants later on. We have the Mad Rush. So right now, Guardians of the Galaxy is 30 minutes, I think. Test Track 3.0 is 40 minutes. Frozen's 15. I think for Guardians, I'll end up just getting a lightning lane one day. That seems to be the best bet. I am thinking that. If it is individual, we're walking into the sun. How bad did the... Get a little bit of distortion. That's my bad. Also, none of the food and wine booths will be open yet. They don't open up till 11. So realistically speaking, can't do any of the food and wine yet. I did wipe off the camera, so I think I fixed a little distortion glare thing. So yeah, I think we should do Frozen first. The line for meeting Anna and Elsa might have been a wrong decision, but it did say 15 minutes. The worst, maybe it goes up to half an hour. Grand Fiesta tour is gonna be a walk-on. So I don't think Frozen's gonna get better. You know what I mean? I also see a lot of people that were probably already in here for early entry for the hotels, which is still making me wonder how many people don't have their kids go to school. Because I see a lot of younglings walking around. There's a line for Akashush. That surprises me. But we'll see how bad Frozen is. I think I have enough battery to do a Q video too. Alright. I don't know. Oh, they're doing rider swap. Okay. Like, why are people stopped in front? Morning. It only went up and wait by 5 minutes. I kind of doubt that. It said 15 minutes, now it says 20 minutes. This seems to me like a longer than 20-minute wait. Also, wasn't there water in here before? Or am I missing something? Alright, so I do appreciate the theming. This makes it more like Mexico, except Mexico's an entire inside pavilion. I still miss Maelstrom. I think it's a better attraction. Not gonna deny that. So in theory, we've been on the line for 17 minutes. 17. So maybe the 20 minutes is true. Maybe. We're not there yet. So that's where the lightning lane was all 2 people. I think I got a little bit more. I missed like a little house thing, but the people were knocking so much, it was very disturbing. Try to be polite and talk at a lower volumes. I don't know how much y'all can hear me. y'all. We got row 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Row 1. Well, this will be interesting because we have a pillar in front of us. So, I did not think this through fully. A little bit.
Inside the boat there. And watch your little ones, yeah? Hast du selber las manos y brazos, pies y piernas dentro del bote. Las niños, ja? Have a good trip now. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Us has made a magic winter show like summer snow for spending the year. We're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there. Today, I saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thought of first
Alright, so we got 30 minutes to get on Grand Fiesta Tour before my stream starts. Let's do this. I have to remember to tag the stream in when I say that in these videos. There is some mild lens flare, but it's much better than it was. So I'm happy about that. New lens guards did help that out a lot. Next I have to work on getting the mic Air, I think, to connect wirelessly to this, to have slightly improved audio. Oh, see? That little overhead. You get that overhead glare one time and it just makes things look weirder. Such a long exit. I think we have a little bit of time to look at the store, but I don't think Fiesta Tour is going to be a long wait. Again, that overhead lighting. So, look at some Viking stuff. This used to be all Viking stuff and now it's all princess stuff. I'm very confused. What happened to the Viking stuff? Oh, they moved it in with the troll. Okay. I was like, why was it all print? That used to be all the Viking. They have the helmet. Shall we try on the helmet? I think we shall try on the helmet. There's a little bit of glare, but helmet try on. It's an all-important part of the day. Alright, first of all, this does fit. So, there's that. This is actual a fitting Viking helmet. They're supposed to be, but they are bouncy and bouncy. And we have more trolls over here. Sadly, no longer the one that was pulling up his pants. I missed that one. He was one that they used to have. I don't know what happened to the pants falling down troll, but I missed that. All right, onward to Mexico. I still think Epcot has an issue of not having enough to do in Future World. I feel like they needed to revitalize the health pavilion and bring that back, especially in this day and age. Like, we really could use a little bit more of that. That was a cool place because it was also like a playground, because it had like fitness equipment inside of it that you could use. So I think that would be a good like thing to bring back, if I'm being honest. But I'm assuming Mexico will be a short wait. We're already here. I will say that's the quickest country transition, I think, is Norway to Mexico. I think so. Like Great Britain or the UK to France is a long one. Canada, UK is not that bad. They have the stage in between. But time for three caballeros, three caballeros. They say we are birds of a feather. 1, 2, and 3 goes, no matter where we go. Always, no one's in here. Love it. Like when it's empty. That's my favorite time. Empty time. I don't even think the tequila bar is open. That shows you how empty it is in here. How we doing though? Look good? Oh yeah. Going 5x5. Not too much artifacting. Not really open pavilion yet. Kind of open. Not fully open. Good morning.
Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Would you like a bikini burger?
Oh yes. See.
Here you go. We need your help finding Donald Duck. He's
Okay.
lost. Okay.
I will
Please
go look for him.
Okay.
Thank you.
Adios.
Adios. Got a sticker. Hola. It is like completely empty in here. I love it. So we're gonna walk right on. I'll ask for the front row. Maybe they'll give it to us. That way we get 3 caballeros. Missed the part where I could cut through. There we go. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. There's like a little something, as always happens, on the lens guard. Alright. Row number 3, okay. I'm gonna have my own boat on row number 3. Cool. On boat, on boat. Thank you. There we go. What's even weirder? There we go. Gracias. Alright. This is
inside the boat.
there we go.
Please relax. Yes.
And here we have Legends of the Hidden Temple. No. I can talk a little bit by myself. There's no one around. Oh, come on, that is Legends of the Hidden Temple. There's Omak even. Why does that always go red? But you can see the ceiling, which I feel like the lighting in here used to be less, so you couldn't see the ceiling. I feel like they amplified the lighting at some point in time. I could be wrong. We're coming up to Omek. I always liked the, what is it, golden tigers, green jaguars, purple monkeys? Were that the colors? Someone comment below what the colors were for Legends of the Hidden Temple. I don't remember. But Omek. Omek. He's not talking. Alright. I will be quiet. 3 Caballeros, actual time. The 3 Caballeros. The 3 Caballeros. I will shut up now. Much different experience than Frozen. I love how they're able to composite into some of the original footage.
Excuse me, you seen that?
Oh, t'as la fondue. T'as l'orange? What is it? You guys see? Look up so you can see the. That's a beautiful sunset.
The show's have to start.
I didn't realize how long this ride was. Oh, let's see, like the little ones, but not too much. There's your reminder to explore. Go around. It's 360. Like Go around. Look. Don't look at my face. Go look at other things. Rotate it. Take it in. Oh, frog. See if you can find some hidden Mickeys. There's like major forced perspective going on in this section. And I don't. You can. Ay caramba. What is ay caramba? I don't know. I just realized if I did one of those 360 movies, you'd actually get the full 360 movie. I didn't think about that, like the circle vision. 1, 2, amigos, no matter where we go, they're 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. Keep dancing beside us, to play as we go. We sing and we suffer, we shout, ay caramba. What is ay caramba? I don't know. Caballeros, de three caballeros, say we are birds of a feather. 1, 2, and we go, no matter where he goes. As long as the 3 girls, it's always together. Yes, love the stars together. We can dance beside us. We play as we go. It sounds ay caramba. What is ay caramba? I don't know. They're like slowly opening up the shops here. So it's like cocoa, makes sense. Little candle holder. They have a pin trading board up. Not seeing anything that interesting. They have La Cava de Tequila bottle openers and magnet. It's weird because they don't really have beer there, so I don't know why the bottle opener, like you would. Oh, Mr. Weird Fish. I love the weird fish. I do love the weird fish. I don't see the, you know, dog, like the little Diego Dante dog that you put on your shoulder. There's a lot less merch in this pavilion. Oh, that is the one thing I'm noticing. Remember you used to have the big thing of hats right here? That is not here no more. Like, so I can't tell if this is tariffs hitting the Mexico pavilion or them not knowing what merch is selling, but whoa. They pared back hardcore in here. That's what I'm noticing. This is weird. It's a knit fedora. It's a knit fedora. All right, I gotta try one of these on. I've never seen a knit fedora before. Have you seen a knit fedora? Where's the front? Maybe this way? Oh, this is tiny. There's no feet me head. It's interesting, the idea of a knit fedora, but it is small. No bueno. No bueno. But it's weird. All the big sombreros are gone. Most of the hats. They also have like a regular bucket hat, but it's small too. It's odd, like the merch level in some of the countries have decreased to a very small amount. Very interesting to me. Just bringing that up. Wonder why. A little bit distortion. There's always going to be a little bit, I feel, with as long as I have the lens guards on, there will always be a little bit of distortion. All right, we got 13 minutes until my live stream. So, you guys can close. So I think we're gonna call it here. Maybe I'll try and grab a snack. But if I don't, stay foolish, everyone. This is Tom and Zort. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the parks. But this is another little 360 adventure. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.